my name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode Singles and Doubles 2. Today we're playing the singles and doubles groove. To remind you of the concept, was 2 strokes for 1 spot. If you have a black spot, we play single strokes. So it's right left or left right. 1 black spot, or starting with the left hand, whatever. So white spot is a double stroke. So 1 white spot, or, so let's see number 1, only on the snare. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that was black, white, 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 black, white, white, white. If we play the black spot, we're always accenting the first and the last stroke. So if we only have 1 black spot, it's only 2 strokes, so 2 accents. Cool. So 2 black spots, we have 4 strokes, so it's the first and the last one accented. Sounds like this. All right. 3 black spots is 1 and 2 and 3 and. So easy. Always start with the accent and end with an accent. Good. So and now for the groove concept. The following idea: stay at 2 different instruments. Now on that drum, on the lower drum level, we play with the right hand always on the floor tom and left hand always on the snare. So if we have number 1, it sounds like this: right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Don't forget the accents. All right, and then there's one thing I really like to add. If you like, I want to shuffle all that stuff. So not 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it's more like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and tak 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 tak. Number 2. For example, number 5. All right, so let's add a foot pattern. I like to add the Charleston pattern like this. Find it in the end of the reading book. There are all the foot patterns we are using. So again, number 1. You see, you get this nice New Orleans feeling. All right, so let's try something else. Right hand on the cowbell. Same thing. On the right. On the hi-hat. So that's all shuffled. Number 1. We can also play it even. So let's go up in the tempo. All right. That works with all the 4 spots. So the whole 4-spot section, you get all these crazy melodies, these cool grooves. Just try it out and keep it grooving. I mean, you can go through to the 3-spot section as well. Same concept. Number 1. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Or number 4. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. You see? I mean, there in the end, they are all combinations that you can imagine. All that stuff with singles and doubles. It's really fun. It's really a lot of cool groove stuff. Just try it out. And see you soon. Have fun with it. Bye.